I got a question. I don't know if it was through a client on the phone or was it at the radio station, but it said, "Oh yeah, Carmen, how come you never tell your clients to load up on credit cards before they file bankruptcy? Do you really think this is a good idea?" And it's usually follow up with, "Well, you know, I was talking to my cousin's sister's brother, and they said that before they filed bankruptcy, they went out and charged up all their credit cards." And that's what they did. Is that a really good idea? Do you really think you're going to game the system, or do you think this is going to come back and bite you somewhere down the line? I mean, come on, be honest with yourself. If you need to file bankruptcy, bankruptcy is for the honest but unfortunate debtor. Maybe some people go into the bankruptcy and they do that, and they get away with it because they have no other assets or they do something. But do you really think that that's going to help them in the long run? Gaming the system. Oh, I gamed the system, so now I'm going to game the system down the road, and I'm going to do this. It's a bad way to do it. Most of the people, 99% of the people that come to file bankruptcy with me, I know are being 100% honest. I can sit down and I would testify for them saying, I agree, this person's nothing but 100% open and honest. Is there one or two people who may come to me a year and say, you know, hey, I only have X amount of dollars, or I only do this, or I only do that, and they're trying to game the system? Possibly. We do our best to filter those people out from the initial stages. If I don't think anybody's going to be 100% truthful with me, I don't want to take their case. And each attorney in our office has the authority to say no to a client who they don't feel 100% comfortable with, and say, look, I'm sorry, but I don't feel necessary that we take your case. There's a lot of good lawyers out there. Maybe you'll have a better connection with one of them, but we're not going to take your case. And if you're one of those people, I'm sorry, maybe it just wasn't a good fit for us, but there are people out there whose cases we've turned down, and I don't feel bad about that. I'm not going to take a case that I'm not 100% sure of, that I'm helping this person, and on the flip side, they're being honest with me, which is really, really, really important. So